Welcome to the new StansberryResearch.com experience, delivering best-in-class research and tools for individuals managing their own wealth since 1999 through a whole new, fully interactive platform. In this video, we'll explore some of the exciting new features available to you, and we'll show you how easy it is to navigate this powerful investor platform to get the most from your subscription. Start your day on the homepage to see streaming indices, find out everything happening in the world and financial markets before they open with your morning market update, or watch the latest video. Take advantage of enhanced navigation to access a wealth of information. From the latest market research and actionable recommendations to tools and media, it's all within easy reach. Prefer a more classic Stansberry research experience? Simply click My Publications to read your latest issues, explore special reports, and view model portfolios just like before. With one-click access to your latest articles, filter by publication or editor, search by keyword, and sort by date or relevance. Using innovative tools, including a comprehensive dashboard, allows you to keep a close watch on key information, such as daily newswire content, your personalized watch list, charting features, and more. The convenient integrated search feature makes it simple to get information about a company. Whether you're looking for a high-level overview, you want to read top research curated by Stansberry analysts, or you want to take a deeper dive through advanced charting, trading statistics, and more, it's all readily accessible in one location. With data on thousands of securities, nearly every company page features a Stansberry score, which ranks companies based on 4 proprietary financial models. It's the best way to get a complete overview of any company in a single, easy-to-digest number. The all-new StansberryResearch.com makes it easier than ever before to track your investments with our advanced portfolio manager. No matter what you choose, once you've added your portfolio, you can view all your positions at a glance, monitor the health of each company, even the health of your entire portfolio, all using the Stansberry score. And if you'd like to see research articles and news that relates to your portfolio, it's all just a click away. You'll never miss out on new opportunities and content that's important to you when you use custom alerts. You not only have the flexibility to choose the type of alerts you want to receive, like when to buy and sell, but you can also choose how you want to receive them, like to your smartphone. Just remember, if you have any questions or concerns about your subscription, access the Help Center. At Stansberry Research, our goal has always been to deliver you the same type of research and tools we'd want if our roles were reversed, and to make your experience the best possible. We've worked tirelessly to bring you all the best, new, exciting features we've added, and we can't wait for you to get started using them. Thank you, and good investing.